नमस्ते, मी मृणाल देशमुख आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत करत आहे तुळजा भवानी मर्दानी खेळ या संस्थेमध्ये। आज आपण भेटणार आहोत योगिता ताई यांना। या खरं तर स्वित्झर्लंडमधून आपल्या संस्थेमध्ये लाठीकाठी, तलवारबाजी, दानपट्टा आणि शिकण्यासाठी आलेले आहेत। स्वित्झर्लंडमध्ये यांचं एक गाव आहे बाझल या ठिकाणाहून या फक्त 8 ते 10 दिवसासाठी भारतामध्ये आल्या आणि यांची इच्छा अशी होती की कमीत कमी दिवसामध्ये आपल्याला हे शस्त्र शिकायचे आहेत। यांनी फार शोध घेतला आणि यांनी आम्हाला मेल केला आणि त्या मेलमध्ये त्यांनी त्यांची इच्छा व्यक्त केली आणि तुम्ही पाहताय की आम्ही त्यांना भेटलो। अवघ्या 7च दिवसामध्ये आपण व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहाल की त्यांनी खूप अत्यंत सरस पद्धतीने तलवारबाजी चालवली आहे, दानपट्टा चालवलेला आहे, लाठीकाठी पण तुम्ही पाहिलीत आणि मॅडमनी सगळ्यात अवघड गोष्ट म्हणजे चक्र देखील खूप छान पद्धतीने चालवलं आहे। आणि या संस्थेमध्ये मॅडमनी आपल्या बरोबर कशा पद्धतीचं शिक्षण घेतलं, त्यांचा अनुभव काय आहे, एक्सपिरियन्स काय आहे, तुम्ही व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिला आहे। त्याच पद्धतीने मॅडम जशा इतक्या 7 समुद्रापार भारतामध्ये येऊन आपला या भारतीय परंपरेची शस्त्रास्त्र कला शिकल्या, परंतु माझं आवाहन आहे येथील भारतातील नवयुवतींना आणि स्त्रियांना की त्यांनी हे शस्त्र शिकली पाहिजेत, ही संस्कृती जपली पाहिजे आणि सेल्फ डिफेन्स शिकला पाहिजे। आगामी काळामध्ये आपल्या संस्थेची प्रशिक्षणं ठिकठिकाणी आपण करत आहोत, स्टार्टअप करत आहोत आणि सर्व महिलांनी, स्त्रियांनी, मुलांनी, मुलींनी त्याच्यामध्ये भाग घ्यावा ही माझी विनंती आहे। संपर्क खाली दिलेल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी लिहिलेला आहे, दिलेल्या संपर्क क्रमांकावर आपण फोन करावात आणि आपलं ॲडमिशन फिक्स करावं। धन्यवाद।
everyone. My name is Yogita Singh, and although I'm born and brought up in Rajasthan, I've been married in Pune for more than 19 years now. So for me, Maharashtrian and Rajasthani cultures are kind of something which I could relate to properly, and these are the two culture I love the most. So I was actually always into kind of sports. I learned kickboxing. I was into gym. I was weightlifting, but somehow the connection was missing. So I was searching for something where I could learn the culture, the historical significance of that art form. For me, I think when I had 10 break, 10 days break, spring break in Basel right now. I'm staying in Basel, Switzerland, by the way. So, and I've been away from India for more than 10 to 12 years now. I've been in US, I've been in UK, I've been in Singapore, Malaysia, and then I moved to Switzerland right now. So for me, I felt a little bit aloof from my culture, my Rajput heritage, and when I come here to visit my parents or my in-laws, it's always like for a couple of days, and those couple of days, we are always busy eating or shopping or meeting our friends and family. But this time I made a promise to myself that when I go to India this time, I am going to learn something which feels me connected to my roots, to my culture. So when I came here, I was looking for something which I feel connected to. I had no idea actually. I just started searching randomly on internet what I want to do, and then it came to my knowledge that we have an amazing art form in Maharashtra, which was developed by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj himself. It's a 450 years old martial art, Indian martial art called Mardani Khel. Then I started searching and I came to know about Tulja Bhavani Mardani Khel Sansthan, Cultural Trust, and I came to know about Ravindra sir. And I'm so grateful to Ravindra sir. I just dropped him an email that, sir, I want to learn this art form from you, and he was prompt. He promptly replied and he said, of course you can. But I had my own doubts because I just had 6 days. So I told him, can I learn something in 6 days? Is it possible? And he said, why not? So he traveled all the way, like 25 kilometers away from his home to my nearby ground every day. And we had classes for 2 hours every day, in which I learned Lathi Kathi. It's like a sword, the stick form of martial arts. Then we learned Indian sword, we learned something called chakra, which is, it is such an amazing equipment. War equipment, I have never seen this before. And then we had a very flexible sword, something called Dan Patta, which was used by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj himself.
State weapon in Maharashtra.
It's the state weapon of Maharashtra. So for me, learning all these cultural forms from a person who's himself a warrior, he's a 13th generation Maratha warrior, and I feel it teaches you discipline, it teaches you courage, it frames your mind, it frames your confidence. And I'm a solo traveler. I travel solo a lot across Europe mostly. For me, learning something which helps me, protect myself in any kind of emergency is really important. But why only this art form is because when I learned about this art form, it was just not about learning a sword or about a stick. It was about the culture behind it, the historical significance of all these weapons we are learning. I felt like I have been transported 450 years ago, where I am in front of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj himself, and I'm learning in front of him. The confidence, the kind of aura this all art forms has is mind-blowing. It's amazing. All the Indians, all the Puneris especially, to enroll in these classes. Especially, I had a really nice experience with the Tulja Bhavani Cultural Trust, so I would recommend them in the PCMC area. But I think wherever you are, just search for these martial art forms, learn and preserve our culture. This is really important, My humble request to those who are watching this video, wherever you are, just try to learn these martial arts, these Indian martial arts. And in Pune, because I had a good experience with the Tulja Bhavani Trust, I would recommend them. Sir is, by the way, a PhD in warrior forms, and he's about to be a lawyer. So he's doing so much to preserve our culture. And I think now it's our bit, it's our responsibility to take our kids to all those museums, show them the history behind all this, make them learn these art forms so that we can continue this culture. And with that, I would just say, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.